my name is Devattam Bagchi, and today we are going to do the second part of compounding, and we are going to cover the topic vowel compounding and consonant compounding. We have done some part of vowel compounding, and today we are going to cover some part of consonant compounding and complete the vowel compounding. Okay, now let us start. So what is vowel compounding? When both of the conjuncts are vowel, then we call this a vowel compounding, and we add a vowel buffer which is y. Like in the example, Dinu plus Adinu. Dinu, Dinu means bright, and Adinu means dull or dim. Okay, now what we have to do? Now next add a buffer letter. So we have added a buffer letter which is y, and then we join the word Dinu ya Dinu. Okay, so remember, in vowel compounding we add a buffer letter which is y. So now let us look at consonant compounding. When both of the conjunct letters are consonants, then we can say that the compounding happening there is a consonant compounding. Okay, in order to do consonant compounding, we have to take care of some things. First thing is the hard consonant cluster. These are the consonant cluster when two words are joined and they are difficult to pronounce or articulate. Like T plus D. We cannot pronounce this. It is not easy to pronounce. Next is the soft consonant cluster. It is a cluster which is formed when joining two words and it is easy to articulate. It is formed when we are joining two words and first word ends with a consonant and the second word begins with a consonant, but when we join those two we are easy to pronounce it, like S plus T, st. It is very easy to pronounce. So this is the difference between hard consonant cluster and soft consonant cluster. And remember, when we get a hard consonant cluster, when joining two words, we add a buffer, like in the example, pesom plus domet. So it becomes pesom domet. Because M plus D is a soft consonant cluster, we do not need buffer here. But Janliket plus Janet it becomes Janliketo Janet, because T plus J is difficult to pronounce, so we add the buffer letter O between them. So as we discussed in the previous video, each prime letter is followed by a lateral letter in a conjunct. Okay, so every consonant has its own set of enemy letters. So what is enemy letters? Let us look at. Let us say a consonant letter like B. So B has this following enemies, which is C, D, F, G, J, P, T and Z. Okay, and where B is a prime letter, means here B is a prime letter. So what it means, whenever any of these letters follows B, like D, so we need to add a buffer letter, because whenever B is followed by these letters, they create a hard consonants, and these set of letters are the enemy letter of B. Okay, and these types of letters are called enemy letters. Okay, means like Sahib means master and plus Domet. Domet means home. It becomes Sahibo Domet. Why O is added? Because D is one of the enemy of B. So it is hard to pronounce, so we add O. But Sahib plus Yerus becomes Sahibierus. Why O is not added? because B do not have enemy as Y, so it is joined as it is. Okay, let us revise. What is that? These following consonants are the enemy letter of B. What is enemy letter? Enemy letter is a lateral letter. When followed by a certain prime letter, it causes friction to articulate. Means it is difficult to articulate when it is followed by a certain prime letter. And here in this case, prime letter is B. So each whenever one of these consonant follows B, we have to add buffer letter O. Okay, so therefore Sahib plus Domet becomes Sahibo Domet, means master of home. Okay, thank you. That's for today.